New camera? Sweet. Now, which lens to get? Yikes, some of these are more expensive than the camera. How do I know which is right for me? Prime or zoom? Wide angle or telephoto? We got you covered. This is DIY in 5. Hey everyone, my name is Trisha Hirschberger and you are watching DIY in 5, the show where we make tech easily digestible for the everyday user. Today we're talking different lens types and how to choose the best for you. So let's get right to it. The lens is the eye through which your camera sees the world. So first, let's make sure you are only considering lenses that are compatible with your camera. This will cut down on your options considerably. Canon, Sony, Nikon, etc. all make their own lenses, and there are third-party options as well. Different cameras will use different mounts, so the lens you purchase will need the same type of mount to attach to your camera properly. Look at your user manual and filter your search by lenses with a compatible mount type. Now that we have that sorted, there are two main classes of lenses: prime lenses and zoom lenses. Prime lenses only offer one focal length, while zoom lenses can, well, zoom. If you see a lens that lists a focal range of 18 to 300 millimeters, you know that's a zoom lens. So why use a prime lens if zoom lenses offer so many more options? Prime lenses are typically smaller and lighter with a faster, brighter aperture, and some will insist prime lenses result in better image quality. Conversely, zoom lenses are more versatile in the moment and certainly more cost-effective and convenient than traveling with multiple prime lenses. If you need the versatility or have limited travel space, go zoom. If you're mostly only going to need one focal length, say for a stationary setup, or you have unlimited studio space to store lenses, why not go prime? Now, let's chat focal length and how that affects your photo. A smaller focal length number from 8 to 35 millimeters is considered wide angle. A wide-angle lens sees a nice wide field of view and allows you to fit more in the photo. Think a large group of people or a landscape shot. A standard lens is the middle ground, around 40 to 55 millimeters, and it's said to be a good natural look, similar to how the human eye sees. Fun fact, the most common prime lens is a 50 millimeter lens, so common that it's often referred to as the nifty 50. Next up, a telephoto lens is a lens with a focal range of 70 millimeters and up. And if it's 300 millimeters and up, you may even hear the term super telephoto. These lenses allow you to see and photograph objects in the distance, perfect for wildlife photography, sporting events, or even some portrait work. Finally, a macro lens is specifically designed for close-up photography, especially for tiny subjects like flowers, insects, small product shots, and more. You may see a 1:1 or 1.25:1 designation on a macro lens, signifying a life-sized or slightly larger-than-life representation of the subject. Other considerations you should look at when shopping lenses include features you may want, like autofocus, image stabilization, and be sure to check out that aperture number. If you need a refresh on aperture and how that affects your image, check out our recent video linked in the description. While you're at it, if this video helped you out, give it a like and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss out on any future tech tips. Be well, and I'll see you soon with more DIY in 5.